Good morning. I am going to talk about human population and the environment. First of all, let us know what is population. Population is defined as the group of individuals belonging to the same species which live in a given area at a given time. Population density. It is expressed as the number of individuals per unit area or per unit volume of the environment. Parameters affecting population size. Changes in population size are governed by four main parameters. Birth rate or natality. It is the number or live birth per thousand people in a population in a given area. Death rate or mortality. It is the number of deaths per thousand people in a population in a given year. Immigration. The arrival of individuals from neighboring population. Emigration. It denotes the dispersal of individuals from the original population to new areas. Population growth. The global population for the past 100 years results from the difference between the death rate and birth rate. In 1800, the global population was 1 billion. In 1930, 2 billion. In 1975, 4 billion. Now it has crossed 6 billion and it can reach about 10 billion by 2050. This pictorial representation shows the global population, which indicates China ranks first and India ranks second. Causes for rapid population growth. The rapid population growth is due to decrease in death rate and increase in birth rate. The availability of antibiotics, immunization, increased food production, clean water and clean air decreases the famine-related deaths and infant mortality. In agricultural based countries, children are required to help their parents in the fields. That's why the population increases in the developing countries. Here, this graphical representation shows the world population growth, the actual and the projected from the year 1950 to 2050. Characteristics of population growth. Exponential growth. Now population growth occurs exponentially like 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, etc., which shows the dramatic increase in global population in the last 160 years. Doubling time. It is the time required for the population to double its size at a constant annual rate. It is denoted by the letter TD, which is equal to 70 by R, where R is equal to annual growth rate. Infant mortality rate. The percentage of infants died out of those born in 1 year. This percentage is decreased in last 50 years. Total fertility rate. This is the average number of children delivered by a woman in her lifetime. It is 2 in developed countries and 4.7 in developing countries. Replacement level. Two parents bearing two children will be replaced by their offspring. Due to infant mortality, this replacement level is changed. It is very high in developing countries. Male-female ratio. The ratio of boy and girl should be fairly balanced in a society to flourish. This ratio is upset in many countries like China and India. In China, the ratio of girls and boys is 100:140. Demographic transition. Population growth is related to economic development. Birth and death rate fall due to improved living conditions. This phenomenon is called demographic transition. Problems of population growth. There are various problems arises due to population growth. They are increasing demand for food and natural resources, inadequate housing and health services for all the people, Loss of agricultural lands because agricultural lands are converted into buildings, etc. Unemployment and socio political unrest and environmental pollution. Variation of population among nations. The most developed countries like USA, Canada, Australia, where and all the population increases at the rate of less than 1% per year, whereas in the less developed countries like South America, Africa, and Asia, the population increases at the rate greater than 1% per year. Variation of population based on age structure. Structure of population can be divided into three classes: pre-productive population, reproductive population, post-reproductive population. The age group of people starts from 0 to 14 years belongs to pre-productive population. Reproductive population, in which age group of people 15 to 44 years. For post-reproductive population, the age group of people having more than 45 years. Pyramid shaped variation of population. This kind of population we can see in some of the countries like India, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Nigeria. The pre-productive age group population is more indicated at the base of the pyramid. Post-reproductive population is less indicated at the top of the pyramid. Reproductive population will enter soon, which increases the population. This pictorial representation shows the pyramid-shaped variation of population. Next, bell-shaped variation of population. France, USA, UK, Canada and all show this kind of population. Pre-productive population and reproductive population are more or less equal in bell-shaped variation. So the people entering into the reproductive age group will not change the population. Therefore, the population growth is stable. Bell-shaped variation of population. Next, urn-shaped variation of population. Examples: Germany, Italy, Sweden, Japan. The pre-productive age group population is smaller than the reproductive age group population. The number of people in the reproductive age group is less than the before, resulting in decreasing the population growth. Urn-shaped population of variation is given in this slide. Thank you.